Okay, the coating is from Sonax Profiline ceramic coating, made in Germany, and this is the back side of the box. The contents are Sonax base coat, gloss coat, and Profiline Prepare with microfiber cloths and two types of sponge and gloves. On opening it, you're gonna find the instructions first of all, and how to take care of the ceramic coat. And these are the ingredients over here. This is the ceramic coating base coat. This is the main gloss coat. Here are the sponges that are going to be used for application. The gloves, black color gloves over here. This is my Microfiber, and this is a Prepare solution. So this is what I'm going to be doing the ceramic coating in my car.